Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the WMI SNMP provider feature on your Windows 11 computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows button and select Settings. Select Apps on the left side, and then on the right side, go ahead and select Optional Features. In the Add an Optional Feature, go ahead and select the View Features button and go search for WMI SNMP. Best match should come back with exactly that. Go ahead and check mark in that box and select Next, and then select Install. And once this has installed, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.